So my name is Fabiana. I'm the director of the high containment insectary at the Needle. And I'm happy to be here because I think my work is very important. Arbovirus is very important, like you just heard from Meg about the receptors in mosquitoes. So I'm an arbovirologist, so I work with the virus side, but inside of the mosquito. So just for you to understand a little bit, arboviruses are mostly RNA viruses, but you heard this from Jerry, and they are transmitted by arthropods. And we have mainly two cycles, that is the sylvatic cycle and the urban cycle. And for us, it's important to mention that when a spillover occur into the urban area, that is the danger, because is that when the mosquito is able to transmit disease for the humans. So I like this illustration here that is mostly on Zika virus, because Zika virus is a very concerning for the humans, especially for the pregnant woman, and have horizontal transmission and vertical transmission, and not only in humans, but also in mosquito. So the reservoir for Zika virus in the sylvatic cycle will be the animals and the vectors, but the urban cycle will be the humans and mosquitoes. And this is true for Zika, dengue, and chikungunya viruses. And the vertical transmission between mosquitoes means that pregnant female will lay eggs, and those eggs will hatch into males and females, and they will be infected already. So the climate is important because as the warmer temperature in the globe expand to the northern hemisphere, the mosquito migrate. And also is important because the virus replicate in mosquito organs more rapidly. So this is published from other groups and from my own research in the lab. So the importance of this is that arboviruses, they claim almost 1 billion lives worldwide. And they have this ability to cause outbreaks very easily. If you have the vector, you have the human, that's it. It's just a matter of time. So in US, we have like the main arboviruses is West Nile virus. And West Nile virus is transmitted by Culex mosquitoes. And the Culex mosquito is a mosquito that we have in our backyard, in the parks, in everywhere. And because of the vertical transmissions, who knows if these mosquitoes, you bite a bird and then you became infected and bite you or your child play in the backyard. So in US, they have the ArboNet, that is the arbovirus surveillance system, and they track the number of mosquitoes infected per region and also the number of infected people. We cannot forget about dengue. Dengue is a very, very burden in the tropicals. And in US has a lot of cases detected in Florida and also in Texas. So far for 2024, they register a lot of dengue cases, but they are associated with like they call travel related. So people that travel to other areas. And this is just a prediction what's gonna happen with the expansion of Aedes aegypti. That is the main vector of dengue, Zika, and chikungunya. So as you can see in 2010 was just more like northern, south of the US, but by 2050 and 2080 is basically all the US with the green expanding. So that means Aedes aegypti will be here. So Brazil is suffering an outbreak of dengue right now. I'm from Brazil. Everybody that I talk to, they got dengue and have the, development of hemorrhagic fever if you get dengue twice. So how we can help? So have like educational programs and also the researchers and the thing that we do in the lab. So my research is focusing the mosquito vector, like I said, and I'm interested in the mosquito saliva because the mosquito bites you, spit on your skin and transmit the virus for you. And then this is just to finish. This is unpublished data. So we found a very interesting mosquito candidate that we can use for therapeutics because increase the viremia in the saliva. And when you put these knockdown mosquitoes to bite a mouse, we reduce viremia in the blood and the organs of the mice. Thank you.